Hi there, students. Evasive. Okay, evasive is an adjective. Evasively, the adverb. Let's see, this comes from the verb to evade and the noun evasion. But normally we use evasive when somebody is trying to avoid speaking directly. Somebody who's avoiding saying something. This is evasive. When questioned by the reporters, he gave very evasive answers. Politicians never say yes or no. They give evasive answers. They avoid trying to say yes or no. Now, evasive could also just mean trying to escape, trying to avoid. So the ship was going to collide with a small boat and took evasive action. Yeah, it tried to avoid colliding. I was going to drive the car into the river and I took evasive action. I tried to avoid. But normally, evasive, if somebody's evasive, they're cagey, they're non-committal, they're vague, they're equivocal, they give ambiguous answers. Yeah, they're trying not to say yes. They are not calling a spade a spade. Yeah, they're avoiding the issue. They're not giving straightforward answers to the questions. So he was evasive about the relationship that he had with this woman. Okay, he's not saying directly, she's my girlfriend. She's not my girlfriend. So to be evasive about something, yes, to answer questions in a not clear way, especially because you don't want to give an honest answer. The minister was very evasive and dodged the reporter's questions. Yeah, so this is evasive. You could also use evasive meaning something that you do to avoid something bad happening. Okay, it was too late to take evasive action, but that phrase, evasive action, very often, in order to avoid something. So yes, people are deliberately evasive. Yeah, they're trying to avoid committing themselves. They respond indirectly. Okay, so I asked her for her phone number, but she was very evasive about giving me her phone number. She didn't want to give me her phone number, it was very clear. And instead of saying, no, I'm not going to, she was evasive. She said that she couldn't remember it, and when she would tell me next time she saw me, perhaps. Okay, evasive. I guess evasively as well as the adverb. Okay, it's avoiding giving direct, clear answers to a simple question. Yeah, is to beat around the bush but not say yes or no. I asked direct questions but only received evasive, misleading, indirect answers. Okay, so I can't comment on that. Was his evasive answer. He answered me evasively, trying to avoid the point, avoid the issue, not be straightforward. Okay, so he's not going to answer the question. Evasive, elusive, slippery, indirect, cagey. Yeah, oblique without telling the truth, non-committal. Okay, so evasive. He was evasive to the point of being secretive. His evasive answer prompted me to ask another question. The aeroplane had to take evasive action. John's normally so honest, but now he was being extremely evasive. There was clearly something that he wanted to hide. She was evasive about why she hadn't been at home that night. She was very evasive about where she had gone. Please answer me yes or no and stop giving me evasive answers. She was very vague and evasive about what had happened. Okay, so evasive. Formality. It was very evasive. 5.5 in formality, maybe 6, but I think you could use evasive informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, and I think even something very formal as well. And then, well, this comes from French evasif, from Latin itself evado, ex vadere, to leave, to flee, to run away, yes, to walk away. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Evasive.